Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Don't you hate whenever YouTubers do that? The camera's right there. They already know that the camera's on them. It's weird. It's totally weird. Hello everyone, it's Jay, and a few years ago I made a review on the On TV swivel mount, but I really didn't go into depth on how to put it together. This video will serve as a purpose of putting it together and showcasing everything that you need in order to make your TV experience a viewable one. So if you happen to like my content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below on what you think about the On TV swivel mount. If you want a review video on the On Swivel TV mount, then click the link in the description down below and it will go to my last video on this product. This video will mainly be about putting it together because I saw people struggling in the comments. I really want to shed some light on that. This has been mounted on my 65 and I've had this TV for about 3 years, so I'm not really worried about it. Plus it's a little damaged on the corner behind me, but I highly recommend not doing what I have done, especially with your 65, because the structure of this mount is bending over time from the weight of this TV. I would highly recommend either putting it on a TV that is 43 to 55 because the weight of the TV can kind of offset the structure of the TV swivel mount. So without further ado, let's put this freaking thing together. Before we actually put together the On TV swivel mount, there is going to be a set of screws in the box, and it's going to be a lot of screws, and it's going to make you believe that, oh my god, this thing has so many screws. What do I do with all of these? All these are for is mounting the swivel mount on the back of your TV. Now, most newer TVs have these screws on the back of the TV already, so you really don't need these. To put the On swivel mount together, you will need D, the TV brackets, G, an Allen wrench, a screwdriver, C, the column, F1 screws, F2 screws, A, the TV plate, and B, the base. These will be the F1 screws that will connect the column to the base. These will be the F2 screws that will connect the TV plate to the column. All you have to do is screw in the column into the base with F1 screws, and make sure that the safety label is facing out towards the wall and not inside where you can actually see it. Next, we're going to screw in the TV plate into the column with the F2 screws. You will need the Allen wrench for this. Next will be the TV bracket. On the TV bracket, it gets pretty interesting because there are two height adjustments that you can use, and I will showcase that later in the video. And with my TV, it already had these screws for mounting, so I really didn't have to use the bag of screws that I had mentioned earlier in the video. Once you have the brackets installed onto the TV, then it is time to slide the TV plate into those brackets. What I'm showing you here is the two different height adjustments, and clearly you can see that one is taller than the other. If you go up to the very top, then it makes the swivel TV stand shorter, but if you go down towards the bottom, then it makes the swivel TV stand longer. So it all depends on your preferred TV viewing angle, and if you would really prefer it to be shorter or longer. Now, obviously you can tell that I changed the height of the TV mainly because the 65-inch TV was bending the platform of the swivel mount. I would highly suggest not putting this swivel mount on a 65-inch TV. With that being said, this is a more in-depth video with how to put the On TV swivel mount together. I noticed that a lot of people were expressing their frustrations with putting this thing together in my comments of my video from about 3 years ago. If you happen to like my content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below on your On Swivel TV experience. With that being said, I'm out.